Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners, pick up perfect size and let go. And to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. Or hit this line at the top and select this icon of 2 arrows pointing at each other. Then to access your app, just click on the bubble. Now to close it, you can always drag it to remove section at the bottom. Open it in full screen view instead by hitting the same line and choosing the second arrow, or simply swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!